Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about countable nouns, uncountable nouns, gender and case. In my previous video, I told you about 4 types of nouns and today we will learn more types of nouns. So, let's get started. Before starting with countable nouns, I would like to tell you about number. When we talk of one person, animal or thing, we say that it is in the singular form. For example, dog, piano, ox, magazine, country and calf. When we talk of more than one person, animal or thing, we say that it is in the plural form. For example, dogs, pianos, oxen, magazines, countries and calves. Gender. There are 4 kinds of gender nouns. First, masculine gender. Men, boys and male animals are of the masculine gender. For example, king, man and lion. Second, feminine gender. Women, girls and female animals are of the feminine gender. For example, queen, woman, lioness and goose. Third, common gender. Nouns that can stand for males or females are of the common gender. For example, baby, student, friend and guest. Fourth, neuter gender. Nouns that refer to lifeless objects are in the neuter gender. For example, book, chair and bag. Case. The case of noun can be classified into 5 kinds: nominative, objective, possessive, vocative and dative. Let us learn about them. Nominative. When a noun or a pronoun is used as the subject of the verb, it is said to be in the nominative or subjective case. For example, Rajat bought a bike. Mother made sandwiches. Second, objective. When a noun or a pronoun is used as the direct object of the verb, it is said to be in the objective or associative case. For example, we bought some oranges. John sowed the seeds. Third, possessive. When a noun or a pronoun shows ownership or possession, it is said to be in the possessive or genitive case. For example, this is Mira's desk. These are the children's toys. Fourth, vocative. When the noun is the name of the person being spoken to or addressed, it is said to be in the vocative case. For example, Praveen, come here. Prerna, get off the lawn. Fifth, dative. When a noun or a pronoun is used as the indirect object of the verb, it is said to be in the dative case. For example, the postman bought a letter for him. We bought a gift for Priyansh. Now we are finally finished with our topic, that is nouns. So now, like, share and do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.